What's up, everybody? It's day 120 of 200 days of code or 100 days of codes. It's your boy Kendall once again hitting you up on Saturday, the 24th of September, 2022. So, as we all know, I've done this once around. This is my second time. And today, Saturday, is always for me family day because I have two kids, wife, that sort of thing. So, didn't do as much coding as what I normally do today, or as what I normally do. But we did do a little bit of coding stuff. Maybe not exactly coding, but we did do coding stuff. So, obviously, the beginning of the day, we were exploring schools for my son and lots of cool stuff like that. So we were spending some time in different parts and exploring those, enjoying the sunshine, and lots of fun had. We went to this community fun day, so yeah, it was lots of fun with the kids. And then just a little bit ago, so for the last maybe hour and a half, I spent time on MongoDB University, and I've been looking at sort of MongoDB Atlas, which is sort of their cloud version. Been looking at collections, which are like basically a lot of data sets, a lot of documents. So obviously I've been learning that MongoDB is a collection of documents. It's it's a document database. So whatever is going to be stored in is stored in documents. And these documents stacked up are called a collection. And these are stored in a lot of cloud terms, they're stored in instances. Instances are like servers or computers that store instances of things. In this case, it's databases, but I know from AWS that instances are computers or servers that can serve multi-purposes, but in this case, it's for databases. And they're of different sizes. And then they have, replicated ones. Basically, they have a cluster. And a cluster is a lot of these instances. And so basically, if you change one, then obviously there's other ones in this cluster that sort of make it, I guess, reliable or make it resilient in that sort of ways, and they can come together. So very, very interesting to learn a bit more about those. Connected to the cluster, which is cool. And in the MongoDB environments, you see the data that come with it and the database that populates or happens. In this particular university or this particular course, they have an inbuilt IDE or an inbuilt sort of command and response thing which you can connect with. And they give you your very own they provide you with data that you can work with. So was working with some of those things at the moment, connecting with my cluster, getting usernames set up, these sort of things. So yeah, learning a bit about MongoDB and sort of the inner workings. Looks really, really cool. And the university is really helpful, and I'm looking forward to doing more. It's going to be a part of my regular schedule, I think. The MongoDB University and the documentation is incredibly good. Learn a bit about clusters, learn about, the different sort of data sets, learn a little bit about sort of, obviously it's NoSQL, so it isn't set to like tables and columns, but essentially it's an amazing database set. And these documents obviously have a key, and then they have like a value, and they have a field, these sorts of things, just like you would in like a JSON, but apparently it's not a JSON, but it is a document. So I don't know what it is just yet, but I'm sure we'll figure that out as the course goes on. But yeah, MongoDB's really fun. I like databases, weirdly. I didn't think I'd be a person who liked databases, but I do like databases. Quite fun. It's cool to see like the data populate. It's cool to see like the little clusters. It's cool to see them populate. It's cool to like interact with them and make them do things. Yeah, didn't think I would like that, but I do. Same as like PostgreSQL. It's not too different from that sort of thing where you provision things, and not that different from Couchbase. I mean, the cool thing is like with MongoDB. You can choose AWS, you can choose Azure, you can choose Google, and you can choose your region, these sorts of things. And you can choose how to provision these clusters, which is quite cool. So it's sort of cloud agnostic in some sort of ways. So yeah, I'm enjoying it so far. Real basics at the moment, but yeah, like what I'm learning so far. So that's all it is for today. I didn't do any React Native today because I didn't have the time. Didn't do any Code Wars, doesn't have any time either. So, but MongoDB did happen because I'm really wanting to get that down because it's just another database to learn, and I know a bit of front end stuff now. I know a little bit of back end stuff, but it's cool just to be able to have another sort of database to know a bit about and to be able to provision and connect with. So, yeah, and looking forward to doing more. My thoughts and feelings at the moment are I'm excited to hear back maybe from potential jobs, see how that's going to go. So, wish me luck. And we'll see if anything comes from those. And yeah, just enjoying the learning. So, anyways, guys, that's it. Day 120 of 200 days of code. See you guys tomorrow. Keep calm. Go Dom. Oh, what I forgot to say. For those about to take the boot camp, good luck on Monday. Peace out, guys.